So here's 1 jar full. I used almost 1 whole pineapple. About this much ginger. And then about a ½ cup of honey. So, gave me quite a bit. Just take a spoonful of this with your cough or as you're sick. And then I added the aloe vera this time because we're dealing with a tough virus, and I just felt that we need the extra healing property. So, and then I wanted to show you, I made a tea. Just boiled it, and I'm letting it simmer now. Just sit and seep, and then I'll drain it, and I'll give him the pieces of pineapple to eat also, and he can chew on the ginger if he wants. I'll add some honey and lime to that as the tea. And I can always add more water as I want, but it's so easy to do. And if you don't want the ginger and the pineapple, you can do oregano with thyme and then just strain it. Again, it's super easy. It takes 5 minutes. You know, you boil it and it's ready. And there you go.